Got it.
Yeah, that was a home run right there.
That was a home run.
Yep. Holy cow. Damn. I never felt that move that much.
Yeah. Yeah, breathe through that, man. That's a lot.
Damn. Especially I felt it right here. A lot. Dang, that feels good. Holy
Dude, you're gonna
moly.
sleep like a baby tonight.
I haven't done that for 7 years. About time. Oh.
Jeez, Frank.
Damn. Damn, I didn't know my bones moved that way. Holy moly. That felt good.
Was it worth it?
Oh, 1000%.
Yeah? Good, brother.
Yeah.